This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Mona Gabriel. Custom waterfront home boasting sky-high ceilings, open floor plan and tons of natural light. Vacation every day while living in this gorgeous home with bold water views from the kitchen, great room, sunroom and primary bedroom with private balcony and luxurious spa-like bathroom with steam shower. Sit in the screened-in porch overlooking the beautiful composite tiered deck or take the boat out from the private pier and newer boat lift to the Lynnhaven River and Chesapeake Bay. The first floor bedroom/full bath is perfect for a guest or office. Separate fenced area for kids or pets. Enjoy luxury living at its finest. For more information, review the details below.